So I just want to cover a quick thing here before I get any farther, and that is this is just some advice from anybody who wants to do these kinds of projects. I've done enough of them now. I've caused enough damage doing them, and let me explain what that means. So this is the wire coming from the speed controller. It's coming from a DB25 plug back over here, and it comes out as 25 different colors of wire. And I've rung them all out. I know which one is which. I know which is number 12, and I know which is number 17, and I can go to the book. And if the book says I have to put a wire, I think I have to read the pulses on pin 15 and then ground, so I know which colors those are. If you look inside, so there's 25 wires here. I'm not using all of them, but they have to be done something with. And all the wiring in here, and all the wiring over here. One thing I've learned, and any advice I could give to somebody who wants to try these kinds of projects, is be very, very careful with your wiring. You want to make sure there's a lot of power here. When this is all plugged in, there's 48 volts of a lot of power. So you want to make sure you want to double and triple check everything. You want to run everything through fuses. You're right. I'm just making this into a junction bar. So these are all 12 volt, and this one's 48 volt. So the 48 volt speed controller is fused. Use lots of fuses. Keep everything neat and tidy. Make sure you have enough wire. Don't cut things too short. The best tool in any workshop for doing this kind of work is a whiteboard. Have a good whiteboard. Writing things down, which color wires go where. In this case, which color wires are what number of the pins, right? So it's important that you do a very good job of you know, be careful with your wiring. I believe on a project like this is my skill. This is the skill I'm learning, is how to wire things nicely. I could go a lot farther than this. I don't use a lot of plugs in things. I like hardwire things together. All these harnesses are all plugged together. I mean, are all soldered together. But this thing is not. I don't expect this to have to go get a lot of repairing done. So I'm just hardwiring everything in. So I guess takeaway from this is use the wiring. The craftsmanship can be in the wiring, and how you do it, and how carefully and how beautifully you do it.